Have you got into the Christmas spirit recently?
Yeah, I actually just drank the whole bottle. Give me a really bad headache.
Oh yeah, I can imagine.
Welcome back, T-Millers, to the T-Mill Grotto. I'm joined with Actual Santa.
Hello.
And in this video, we're going to be talking about personalisation. One of the things that you can offer your customers this Christmas, totally underrated. Santa told me earlier, it's the greatest present ever. We're going to fact check that. Stay tuned for the rest of the sentence. What was the rest of the sentence?
Stay.
More. For more. There we go.
Yeah.
That's it. Stay tuned for more. So we're going to kick this off with a fact.
Oh, yes. Yes, we are. So it turns out that 2 out of 3 people prefer a personalised gift rather than something really expensive from a retail store, which is where custom comes in, because you can literally make personalised gifts and send them off to people. So
I think
it's great.
when we think about this, we were talking about it earlier, weren't we? Like,
Yeah.
what Christmas gifts and Christmas, it's so easy to forget when you're in a business mode and you're trying to like generate more sales.
Yeah.
What Christmas actually is,
Yeah.
what it's about, and it's about what's it about?
Friends. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Friends, family, laughing, having a joke.
I actually think it's really important that stuff like that, like your family, like it's quite strong. It can create quite strong feelings, and when people buy stuff, it does mean a lot to them.
Yeah.
And so I think the biggest mistake a business can make is to appeal to this.
Yeah.
Because Christmas is all here. It's all in the heart, not the head. So when we're trying to, 10 months of the year, we're trying to sort of pitch our products and say how great these products are and stuff. At Christmas, people are looking for stuff for their friends and family. And like you said, 2 out of 3 people, they want to see personalized gifts, stuff that's special and really comes with a meaning.
And made for them, and yeah.
If only there was some sort of way, Santa, for people to be able to order completely unique, personalized, other words.
Custom presents that are ordered one at a time. Yeah.
All of that stuff. If only there was a way. But is this the bit where we do some magic?
Oh,
Can we do some magic in post? Sergio's a magician.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Thanks. And that's Studio. So Studio, what is it? It lets your customers design their own custom products on your store. It's really easy to set up, and it comes built into T-Mill Pro stores.
Yeah. And you get the same profit per item, even though the customer does all the designing.
The customer does all the work.
Yes.
So you've got to set it up, let your customers design their own products. Now, this is really exciting because in the same way as you find it quite easy to design your own products using T-Mill, your customers basically get the same interface, but on the front end of your store.
Yeah.
It's a great offer. I think what we'll do before we kind of dive into a step-by-step tutorial of how to set it up on your store is we do need to evidence everything.
Yeah,
Let's prove that it's 100% true that people love custom products. Let's cut away to an elf survey.
Hello, Elf Danny. Hello. How are you today?
Doing very well, thanks. Yeah, it's a Friday. Christmas is around the corner, so we're good to go.
That is a good day to be had. Yeah. So I wanted to ask you: does anybody in your family have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog at home.
Oh, what's it called?
She's called Layla.
Oh, who's like looking after the dog? Whose is it?
So mostly my parents are looking after the dog.
Yeah.
And she's a bit lively, but she's pretty cute. Yeah.
That's really cute. So is it your mum's dog specifically, or?
Yeah, I'd say my dad isn't super keen on Layla. My mum loves her. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So Christmas magic. Imagine it's Christmas morning and you've got your mum a present and she's opening the wrapping and you've made her a custom T-shirt using Custom Studio with, is it Layla?
Layla?
Yeah, Layla's face on the front. How do you think your mum would react?
Ah! Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
Thank you for that really interesting elf survey.
Anytime. I think we can definitely see that 100% of the people we surveyed thought that custom products are the best gift you can give at any time of the season.
Best gift that you can give at any time, quote from Actual Santa.
That is a super Santa fact.
That's
right
a good
there.
fact. Yeah, just throwing it down. Okay, we're gonna walk through. We're gonna cut to walk through. So we're in walkthrough land.
Yeah, the noisy neighbour to Lapland, because they're always stomping. So this is the custom page here. This is how it's going to look for your customer. And you can link to this anywhere on your store. So if we zip over to the back end of Rapa Nui clothing here, you can add it into your menu by just going in like this. And when you click link, this is the same everywhere. So you can add it onto a pod or onto any element of your site at all. And you just click page, and there it is, Studio.
So to be clear then, once your Team Pro store, Studio will appear in your link tool. You can link it from your menu and from somewhere else on your site.
Yeah,
Go
everywhere.
to link, page, and click Studio.
Yeah, and it'll be anywhere you,
So one of the things I thought would be cool to show Tmall operators, store operators as well, was it would be like the simplest way to do it would go menu, new item, and custom, and then just link straight to the custom tool. But on Rapper, the team built this awesome landing page to kind of explain to people what it is.
It looks like
So
this.
instead of linking straight to Studio, when you click custom, it goes to a page which kind of pitches the product and service, makes it clear that people can design their own stuff, and then from there they link across.
Yeah, definitely, like that. Yeah. So to build your own page, just set up a new page under the website tool on the back end of your store, and you can build a page just like this, and then find the block that you want to link it to, and edit the link in here, get started, and just add in the page just like we said before.
So link, pages, Studio,
Yeah.
and it'll appear there when you're a Pro store.
Yeah, perfect.
So if we just recap, your customers can use their phone and on your website design totally unique and personal gifts, one at a time, with no setup, for the normal price, and you can enable that on your Pro store really easily.
Yeah, and it's actually 2 out of 3 people say that they prefer, or the best Christmas gift they've ever got has been something that's personalised and custom made for them.
And this is the thing that I think is most important to point out. Nobody else is doing this.
Yeah, yeah.
This is not something that you can do at like a major online retailer even. Like name a major retailer where you can actually do that. I can't think of one.
I can't think of any.
So from a Tmall store operator's perspective, this is definitely something that hits the spot for Christmas.
Yeah, and is a grotto first.
It's a grotto. Santa says it's the greatest gift of all time.
Yeah.
That's massive credibility already. But also it's a unique competitive advantage that's super compatible with today's online, mobile, personal Christmas market. Hope you found that useful, everybody. Stay tuned for even more from me and from actual Santa here in the Grow.